guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, this is the 9th episode of our Java Taglish series for absolute beginners. Now in this chapter, we are going to talk about the different comparison operators. Now yung mga comparison operators na to guys, ay medyo familiar na tayo kasi na-encounter na natin to during our elementary days or yung high school days. Now mind you, kapag alam mo na to or medyo familiar ka pagdating sa mathematical concept nito, this is just the same concept pagdating sa programming natin. Pero syempre, yung iba lang doon is medyo na iba yung symbol. Now again, just a quick recall, ito yung ating greater than symbol. This is the less than symbol. And mind you, ito yung ating greater than or equal to na symbol pagdating sa programming na medyo familiar tayo pagdating sa math na ganito yung ginagamit. Now this one naman is yung less than or equal to na symbol which is same as this one. And then ito yung ating equal to at ito yung not equal to. Now mind you guys, yung equal to sa programming natin is dalawang equals talaga siya. So parang naninigurado na equal talaga, no? So ganun lang siya. Now, yung mga operators dito, kapag ginamit natin yan, ang value na ibibigay niya would be yung Boolean values na true at saka false. Now, para mas magets natin tong lesson na to, we are going to code this one in our IDE at gagamitin natin would be yung ating 4 different methods. Now, the first one, yung tinatawag ko na direct method or just using the system.out.println. Next one would be yung ating variables. Third one would be yung combination ng isang variable at isang integer. And then, fourth one is gagawa tayo ng mini calculator, pero this time yung comparison naman na evaluator yung style niya. Okay? So again guys, ito yung ating notes at ito naman yung ating IDE. Now the first one na sinabi ko kanina is to evaluate yung ating mga comparison operators using the direct method or yung system.out.println. And in order to do that, meron na akong example dito at itatry na lang natin to in our program. So, sabi dito, ang gagamitin natin na test values would be 8 and 5. So, ang gagawin ko lang is ikokopyahin ko lang to mga examples na to. Tapos, itatry out natin lahat ng mga operators na yan which are this one. So, that would be 8 is greater than 5. Next would be 8 is less than 5. And then, next would be 8 is greater than or equal to 5. Then, less than or equal to 5. And then, equal to 5. And then last one would be yung ating not equal. Now guys, sinabi ko sa inyo na itong values ang kanyang result, diba? So, ibig sabihin lang nun, kapag niran natin yan, itong dalawa lang ang makikita nyo sa ating program dito. So, that would be like this one. Now, paano siya nag-come up na ganito? Ganito lang yan guys. Same sa math concept natin. Parang tinatanong mo lang yung program mo na, is 8 greater than 5? Definitely, that is correct. So, that would be true. So, 8 is less than 5. Definitely, it's not. So, that would be false. So, eto naman, 8 is greater than or equal to 5. That would be true. And then, eto naman, 8 is less than or equal to 5. That would be false. And then, 8 is equal to 5. Syempre, hindi siya equal to 5 kasi hindi sila parehas ng value. So, that would be equal to false. Now, eto naman, 8 is not equal to 5. Oo naman, syempre, hindi siya equal to 5. That would be equal to true. Now, mind you guys, na etong apat na to na operators ay madali lang intindihin. Now, eto baka medyo malito tayo dito, kaya let's take a look at these examples para mas matrain pa tayo mag-understand ng concept na to. So, what we're going to do is to try this one out. So, meron tayo ditong use 8 and 8 as our test values naman. So, ang gagawin lang natin is papalitan ko lang to mga values na to para hindi tumagal yung ating discussion. So, that would be equal to 8. Tapos, ito naman would be equal to 5. Tapos, ito naman would be not equal to 8. At ito naman would be not equal to 5. So, mind you, yung mga yellow na yan, sinasabi lang yan na mayroon tayong identical expression or nagko-compare tayo ng parehas na values dito, okay? So, kapag niran natin yan, ano kaya ang kanyang result? Pero bago natin i-run, is evaluate muna natin para mas magets natin on our own, okay? So, kung makikita niyo dito, nagko-compare daw tayo ng 8 na magkaparehas. Sinasabi lang nito na yung 8 ba ay equal sa 8 or yung 8 ba ay parehas na value sa 8, that would be true. Okay? Now, what if this one naman? 8 is equal to 5, that would be false kasi hindi sila parehas na value. Now, next one naman, 8 is not equal to 8, that would be equal to false kasi equal sila. Tapos, ito naman, 8 is not equal to 5, that would be true kasi hindi talaga sila equal or hindi sila parehas ng value. So, kapag niran natin to, matitignan natin at check natin kung tama yung mga answers natin. So, that would be true, true, false, 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 then true, true. So, ganun lang yung concept natin when it comes to comparison operators. Now, what if we try the second method, which is about the variables naman? Ibig sabihin lang nito, guys, is magde-declare at initialize tayo ng variables, tapos, i-compare natin silang dalawa. Pwede kaya ang comparison operator sa mga different variables? Definitely, pwedeng-pwede yan. So, in here, meron tayong examples at ang gagamitin natin would be yung 10 at 22 na values. So, let's say, meron tayong dalawang integers, namely A, which has the value of 10, at yung B, which has the value of 22. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin is to try these operators out again, tapos kukopyahin lang natin itong nasa examples natin na notes dito. So, A is greater than B. Tapos, next naman would be yung ating less than na symbol. Next would be yung ating greater than or equal to na symbol. Next would be yung ating less than or equal to na symbol. And then, next would be yung ating equal. Tapos, next would be yung ating not equal na symbol. So guys, ang ibig sabihin lang nito bago natin i-run would be this one. Sinasabi niya, kino-compare daw natin yung dalawang integers. Pero yung value ng integers na yon, yung mga integers na yon ay may kanya-kanyang value. Ibig sabihin lang nito, magiging ganito siya. 10 is greater than 22. Ibig sabihin yung 10 which is A at yung B which is 22 ay nagko-compare using this kind of operator. Siyempre, ang sagot dyan, guys, would be false. Okay? Now, what about this one naman? We have A is less than B or 10 is less than 22. Of course, that would be true. Next would be 10 is greater than or equal to 22. Automatic, that would be false. Next one would be 10 is less than or equal to 22. Automatic, this would be true. And then, next naman natin would be 10 is equal to 22, automatic, that would be false. And then lastly, 10 is not equal to 22, that would be true. So, etong dalawa, counterpart lang nila yung isa't isa, kaya medyo madali lang sila matandaan. So, guys, kapag niran natin to, dapat yung evaluation natin dito would be same as this one para mas nag-gets nyo yung lesson natin. Okay? So, that would be false, false, true, true, false, true, false, true, tama, false, true, false, true. So, ganun lang kadali intindihin yung ating comparison operators. Now, para mas magets pa natin ang ating lesson, let's try this next examples out. So, this time, na-try na natin yung direct method at yung variables. This time naman, gawin natin yung combination ng variables at integer. So, in order to do that, meron ulit tayo mga examples dito at ito yung mga to. Okay, so i-clear ko lang to. Tapos lagyan natin na combination ng integer dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, meron tayong isang integer na dineclare which is equal to 18. Okay? Tapos, marami tayong system.out.println. So, unahin muna natin yung first natin which is greater than 50, yung C na sinasabi natin. Next naman would be yung ating C is less than 100 naman. Tapos, ang next natin dyan would be 150 is greater than or equal to C. Okay. Next naman would be 20 is 20 is less than or equal to C naman. And then next one would be C is equal to C. And then lastly, C is not equal to 18. So guys, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa ating examples, bago ko i-run, meron siyang integer value which has 18. Tapos 50, yung mga ating iba't ibang integer value din, 100, 150, 20 na pwede nating i-apply. Now, i-evaluate muna natin to bago natin i-run. So, ano kayang answer dito? True or false kaya? Ikaw ang sumagot or ilagay mo sa papel para mas magets mo? So, ang ating sagot dito would be false. Okay? Ikaw, ano kaya ang sagot mo dito sa ating next examples? Okay, kung ang sagot mo ay true, that would be tama. Or makikita natin mamaya kung tama nga talaga. Next naman would be this one. So, ang sagot ko dito would be true. Tapos, dito naman, ang sagot ko would be false. And then, next one, ang sagot natin dito would be true. At dito naman, ang sagot natin would be false. Okay? So, kapag niran natin, tingnan natin kung tama nga ba ang pagkaka-evaluate natin dito sa mga given na to. Tapos, kung makikita nyo, false, true, true, false, true, true. Next is false, true, false, false, true, false. That is correct. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag nasagutan mo to, is nagigets mo na yung ating lesson for the day, which is about comparison operators. Now, para mas matrain pa tayo maigi, we are going to do this last example. At yung last example na to ay hindi basta-basta example lang because we are going to create our own comparison evaluator using the scanner again. So, ang instruction natin dito would be as simple as this one. So, get two integer values from the user. Ibig sabihin, kukuha lang tayo ng dalawang number kay user. Tapos, i-compare daw natin yung mga values na yon using the 6 different comparison operators which are as follows. Okay? So, in order to do that, syempre, kailangan muna natin ng scanner. So, ang gagawin ko lang dito is to import yung ating scanner, which is this one, na sana medyo familiar na tayo kasi very helpful talaga to. Tapos, lalagay ko lang itong scanner. Scan is equal to new scanner, then system dot in. Okay? After nyan is, sasabihin ko kay user, yung enter your first number. Tapos, syempre, magta-type si user, kaya lalagay ko int a, tapos scan.next int. Okay? After nyan, is tatanungin naman natin siya sa kanyang second number, which is enter your second number naman. Tapos, int b ang gusto ko, that would be scan.next int ulit. After nyan is nakuha ko na kay user dito yung integer values niya. Ang next naman natin is to compare it, diba? So, in order to compare and display, ang gagawin lang natin, of course, is to use the system.out.println. Now, mind you guys, ganito ang gagawin ko. Iisa-isahin ko to, tapos sasabihin ko kay user kung anong klaseng operator to. So, that would be greater than muna na symbol. Tapos, plus in order to combine. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, lalagay ko dito yung first na in-input ni user. Tapos, yung symbol, which is this one, pang display lang to ha, that would be greater than symbol. Lagyan ko lang na space para maayos. Tapos, B. After nyan is ilalagay ko na yung sagot, which is equal lang sa Boolean value na gusto kong makuha, which is A is greater than B. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ganito siya. Tapos, next naman natin would be yung ating less than symbol, which is this one naman. So, para mangyari yan, lalagyan ko lang less than dito, tapos lalagyan ko lang dito na less than. Okay? Next naman would be yung ating greater than or equal to, which is this one. So, ibig sabihin nito, lalagyan ko lang siya ng ganyan. Konting adjust lang pagdating sa ating operators. And then, after nyan is yung ating next operator, which is less than or equal to naman. So, lagay ko lang to. Don't forget the spacing para mas maayos yung ating pagkaka-display. So, ganyan lang siya. And then, next one would be yung ating equal to na hindi na mawala. Okay? So, ganyan. Palitan lang natin again yung mga symbols. At mas maganda kung copy-paste lang talaga kasi para mas mabilis lang yung ating lesson at para mas maintindihan nyo. Next naman would be yung not equal. Not equal to. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Tapos, syempre yung ating symbol dito. Kung gusto mo sagutan, sagutan mo muna bago natin i-run habang may time pa. Tapos, syempre, isa-scan that close natin to para ma-close yung ating scanner. Okay? So, guys, bago natin ulit i-run, i-evaluate muna natin para mas magets sa ating lesson. Let's say, ang ating test values for this one would be yung 18 and 5 na number. So, para sa first item, ang ating unang sagot dyan would be 18. First number natin, no? Greater than 5, automatic, that is equal to true. Next would be 18 is less than 5, automatic, that is equal to false. And then 18 is greater than or equal to 5, automatic, that is equal to true. And then 18 is less than or equal to 5, automatic, that would be false. And then after nyan, yung ating equal sign. So, that would be 18 is equal to 5. Automatic, that is equal to false again, guys. And then, 18 is not equal to 5. Automatic, that is equal to true. So, tingnan natin kung tama ba yung ating pagkaka-evaluate kapag niranan natin. So, ang kanyang result ng ating code would be this one. enter your first number, katulad ng ating test values, which are 18 and 5. Lalagay ko lang yung 18. And then 5. Tapos, kung makikita nyo, 18 is greater than equal to 5, true. We have false, next one. We have true again sa ating next. We have false sa ating next. And then false again sa ating next. And then last natin would be true. So, ganun lang guys kung paano natin aralin yung comparison operators. Okay? So, again, ito yung ating code dyan. Sana hindi kayo masyadong nalilito sa spacing. I-imagine nyo na lang na kapag may double quotations, automatic yun yung display. Tapos kapag meron mga blue dito, automatic, yan ay mga variables or yung mga input lang ni user natin. Tapos ito, guys, yung ating Boolean value na true, ganon. Okay? So, I hope guys na may natutunan talaga kayo in this lesson and medyo lumawak pa yung understanding nyo pagdating sa comparison operators at sa pag-a-apply niya. So, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!